In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost a Facebook Marketplace listing. To get started, head over to facebook.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the profile that created the marketplace listing you want to promote, because that's the account where you'll be able to manage the listing and any advertising options connected to it. Once you're on Facebook, look over to the left-hand menu and click Marketplace. This will take you into the Marketplace section where you can browse, manage listings, and access tools related to selling. If your screen looks a little different, especially on different devices or browser sizes, just look for the Marketplace icon and open it from there. After that, click your listings. This is where Facebook stores the items you currently have for sale. You'll be able to see your active listings and choose the one you want to promote. Take a moment here to make sure you select the correct item, especially if you have multiple listings that may look similar. Next, open the specific listing you want to boost. Once the listing is selected, look for the Boost Listing option and click it. This is the feature that allows you to promote your item to a larger audience, which can help increase visibility and potentially bring in more interested buyers. Now you'll be asked to choose your budget and campaign duration. In other words, you'll decide how much money you want to spend and how long you want the promotion to run. This is an important part of the process, so choose settings that fit your goals. A smaller budget may be fine if you just want a little extra exposure, while a longer duration can keep your listing visible for more time. Once that's set, review your payment details carefully. Before launching any promotion, it's always a good idea to double check that the billing information on the account is correct. That way, you can avoid delays or issues when starting the boost. Finally, click Boost Now to start the promotion. After that, your Facebook Marketplace listing will begin running as a boosted listing based on the budget and schedule you selected. And that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly give your marketplace listing more visibility and improve its chances of being seen by more people. If you're promoting an item, it also helps to make sure your listing photos, price, and description are already in good shape before boosting, so the added exposure works in your favor.